Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to do a quick unboxing of this MX Keys keyboard from Logitech. It's part of this MX series from the Logitech, which I already have the mouse from them, this MX Anywhere 3 mouse. And this keyboard also fits perfectly to this mouse. It has also similar features like the mouse and also similar software to the mouse, and also some unique features that I will also talk about in this video. And I will also show what's coming exactly inside of the box. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. On the back of the keyboard is written some of the features that this keyboard has. For example, the curved keys for more comfortable using it for longer period, and also the backlighting. This keyboard also has backlighting. And it has also this software with the flow, which means that you can copy paste documents from Windows and Mac and move between these operating systems. And for example, if you copied something, you can paste it there. Then you don't need to, for example, upload it somewhere or send it to your email and download it in other operating system. You just copy, change the software, for example, in the computer. If you have a desktop, you can switch between the computers easily, then you can paste it there. It's also a cool feature. And also, similar to the mouse that I have here, it has also possibilities to switch between 3 devices. This is also one of the reasons that I purchased this keyboard. So, inside the box, you get another box, huge black box, and when you open that box, you will see like some manual in here, how to use this device, how to turn it on, how to set it up with the computer, with the Bluetooth, or it also has a possibility to use the USB receiver, similar to the mouse actually, which I showcased also previously. And it's also wrapped here, the keyboard. I can take it out. Now you guys can see the keyboard also. You guys can see that how the keys are curved here in this video. And here on the top, you have also, you see that 1, 2, 3. It means that you can switch between like first computer to the second and the third one by just pressing them. And it's really useful, this feature. One of the another reason that I chose this keyboard, I was thinking to buy another keyboard also. But for me, this keyboard is universal. It means that you can use all of these like functions, keys here for Mac, for Windows, and also for Chromebooks. So for me, it was also that important to be able to switch between the operating systems. I was thinking about to buy the Microsoft keyboard, but then I saw that it's just like fixed to the Windows as a keys. So I decided to go something like Logitech, which offers more universal keyboard. Let's see what else comes inside of the box. Inside of the box, we should get this USB stick here. You can see that for Bluetooth. As I said, you can connect this keyboard using the Bluetooth or just using the USB, which is also useful. And let's see what we have here inside of this small box here. We should get a USB-C to USB-A port. As you guys can see it, we have the USB-C to USB-A port, similar to the mouse. It comes also with a similar cable. And we have some paperwork. Now let's have a closer look to the keyboard here. As you guys can see it, the keys are silent. That's also one of the reasons that I purchased it. I didn't want the mechanical keyboard because they get usually loud. But I could say that mechanical keyboards, the typing feeling is better than this. The keys movement is not that much here. It's a bit too flat, I would say. In the back here, you have the switch on and off, and you have the USB-C charging port here. Actually, that's the only thing that you can get on this keyboard. As I said, the keys here are universal. You can use it for Mac, Windows, and also for the Chrome OS. And on the top, you have the settings, like adjusting the brightness and also the backlight for this keyboard. I can switch it on, so you guys can see that also. Now it's turned on. I can try to increase the backlight to see if you guys can see it in this video. Yeah, it's all possible. When you look at it from the top, backlighting looks good, but when you look at it from this angle, it doesn't look that good because there's a big gap here. You guys can clearly see it also on the video. But you can also adjust all of these keys top there. They're in the software that you can install on the Windows and Mac. You can also like assign different functions for each of these keys, which is also can be useful. But for me, I like the setup that they have here. Also in the top right here, you also have to lock and log out, and also the like to make a screenshot, also like a calculator to open it. This works also in the Windows. So that was actually it about the keyboard here. I will also now show a video regarding the backlight, how it works, because the backlight also turns off, and when you get close to it, it automatically turns on. So it's like an intelligent backlight, as they call it. Try to type on it to see how the typing feeling is. This is a test. For me, it works perfect. There is also a small key movement here. It's also not too silent that you don't feel that you're typing. So actually, it's perfect. It's not that loud. It's not that like silent. So it makes perfect sense here. It works perfectly. I will also now bring the camera a little bit closer to the keyboard so you guys can see how loud this keyboard can get. You guys can also find more information on Logitech's website for the MX series, or this Master series as they call it here. Now I have the MX keys here. You guys can see that the keyboard is a little bit pricey, but you guys, I got it also for around 70 to 80 euros. So you guys can find this also on the offer usually. In the website, official website, usually the prices are higher. But as I said, the highlight of this keyboard is be able to switch between the desktop using these keys, and also this intelligent backlight that it has, especially in the night. If you're using it, it's also useful. And also that you have universal keys for the Mac and also Windows. It also has this flow feature, which I will also try and show it to you guys in the next videos. But I wanted to show also that this MX keys also works perfectly with this MX Master 3. If you're interested, I bought this MX Anywhere 3, which was enough for me. But this mouse is a little bit more expensive. And this also has more features. You have also trackpad on the side to use with your thumb, and also a wheel here to use with your thumb. So if you want to be more productive, this will be also a great option. But as I said, it's a little bit more expensive. It's around 110 euro. But for now, I'm really happy. I have to try this keyboard a little bit more. And I will also make a video about the software of this Logitech mouse and the keyboard and the Windows, and also try to use this flow between two operating systems to see how this copy and paste will work. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you guys in the next one.